Hey, what's going on everybody? Today we're going to show you how to save yourself a service call by replacing the element in your oven. Before we begin, make sure to locate your oven's make and model. This will make ordering your parts easier, and most parts can be ordered online. So if you like content like this and would like to see more of it, smash that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you for more. So now, let's get started. These are the tools we're going to need for this job. Today we'll be using a drill with a 1/4 inch socket. You have your new element, some pliers, and a flashlight. Now if you don't have a drill, don't worry about it. You can also use a wrench. Alright guys, first things first, make sure to disconnect the power and unplug your oven before even starting the repairs. You don't want any electricity to it. Number 2, we're going to remove the hardware and the screws that hold up your braces as well as the element. Once you get all of that unscrewed, you're going to attempt to pull your element out. Now, whenever you do this, sometimes the wires will come out with it and sometimes they will not. In this case, our wires do not come out with our element. That is fine, we will get to it later from the back side. Step 3, replace the old element with the new one. Same way you took it out, you're going to go ahead and put the new one back in. Go ahead and place it in the 2 holes and then screw it back in and put your braces back in to hold up your element. Now that we've got that put back together, we can go to the back side and begin to take off the back by removing the 7 screws holding the back plate to gain access to the location and disconnect or reconnect from here. Now in our situation, we had to put the new element back in without connecting the wires. So now you will gain access from the back right here, and you will see a blue wire on your left and a red wire on your right. This is where you will want to reconnect the wires to your element. Connecting the red and blue wire is as simple as pushing it on to your new element. Once these steps are done, go ahead and screw your back plate back together and then go ahead and plug in your oven and you're ready to work. Thank you guys for joining us for this tutorial, and I hope you have a good day.